guys! I wanted to share with you these really soft, fluffy curls using some of my favorite products and techniques. And I also wanted to give a special thanks to Oribe for partnering with me on this video, so let's jump into it. So I'm starting off with the Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray, and this is actually perfect for second day hair for refreshing and reactivating the product, but I like to use it on my freshly washed hair because it's really great for adding heat protection, a little bit of hold, and for adding some moisture. So I'm just going to start to section my hair in these small sections like this, and I'm going to brush and detangle my hair so that way it's going to make it really nice and easy for me to steam straighten my hair. So I'm taking this Ion Steam Pro Steam Straightener, and as you can see, it's steaming my hair, which is going to help reduce the amount of heat damage and breakage as opposed to a normal straightener. So this uses steam and moisture to really smooth out the strands, and I like to straighten my hair before I apply the perm rods because it really helps my hair to take shape, because my hair is going to be a lot smoother when I start. So I'm going to start to part my hair and section it off into this 2-inch strip and then clip my hair away so it makes it a lot easier for me to work with my hair. And then I'm going to take the Oribe Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax, and this is like a waxy spray that really gives you a nice hold, and it's also going to help with adding some sheen to my hair. So once my hair is really nicely detangled, I'm going to take a perm rod, start at the end, and then just roll all the way up and then secure that into place. Not too tight, but secure enough. And I'm going to continue doing this, moving all the way upwards to the crown of my head, just spraying with some of the spray wax, detangling, and then starting at the ends of my hair and rolling all the way upwards. So once you have all the curlers in your hair, you have a couple of options. You can go to sleep in this, and this will help to set the curls overnight, and it's a heatless method. Or you can sit under a hooded dryer, which is what I'm gonna do. It speeds up the process, and I only have to sit on the hair for about an hour. So I'm just gonna lollygag around until it's time to take the curlers out. So while I'm removing the curlers, I'm making sure not to disturb the curl pattern too much so that the curl can really cool down and set. And then I'm spraying it with the spray wax, and that's going to really create a nice hold and sheen to the hair. The spray wax is also humidity resistant, which is perfect for my hair type because my hair loves to revert back to its natural state when there's any moisture in the air. So this really helps to protect it and prolong the style. So once my hair has cooled down, then I can start separating the curls. It's going to create a lot more volume, a lot more separation. So take your time with this, be very meticulous so that way you don't create any frizz, and this is really going to make the style pop. So once I have some really great separation and volume, I'm just going to start to shape my hair. I really like a lot of volume and fullness towards the crown, and then I like to kind of taper it off towards the bottom so I get more of a heart-shaped look. But once I've arranged it the way I like it, I'm just going to do one final spray of the finishing spray wax to set everything into place so it's all locked and I'm ready to go. So that's it. That's the finished look. Tell me what you guys think down below. Would you give this a try? And if you do give this a try, make sure to tag me in your photos so I can see and comment. I thank you all so much for watching, and again, special thanks to Oribe for partnering with me on this video. Thank you all, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!